like fundamental ones that we all want intrinsically in one way or another. And it's going to be varying degrees. Not everybody wants the same thing. For some people, that one thing may matter way more than the other one, but it's tapping into something that is core and common across humans. And it teaches you how to write better headlines. It teaches you how to leverage your social proof and show, hey, other people are invested in what I say, so you should listen to me too. And we talk about the idea of identifying urgency. These are all things within this book. And that's why I'm saying you guys need to really sit down and go through it. And using the psychological triggers, curiosity, reciprocity, I want to get back on because I was talking about car dealerships a little bit earlier. The concept of reciprocity says, so when you go into the car lot and you're sitting down and they pull out that little 4-square piece of paper and start putting their BS numbers on it that they play with, and they make sure that their money is going to be secured. But one of the things that they do is they offer you something to drink. Offer you a bottle of water, soda, pop, however you want to call it, wherever you live. They offer you something to drink. The idea is by offering me this low-cost beverage, this thing doesn't really cost the dealership anything. I'm going to reciprocate by taking on a 36-month loan that's going to total somewhere in 5 figures. And it works. That's why they give you a bottle of water when you walk into a dealership. They're thinking that by giving that, they're priming you to reciprocate by buying a vehicle from them. Yeah, that's what that is. So that's that law of reciprocity. And it's not proportional to what you're getting. So by buying this, by taking this bottle of water that didn't cost them really anything, you're going to reciprocate by buying a $30,000 car from them. And it's proven to work. So that's that law of reciprocity. You give a little bit, you get a lot back. And also consistency. So people go to McDonald's because they have an expectation for McDonald's food. And so they know what McDonald's is supposed to taste like. They've acclimated themselves to that taste. And so when they go, they know that they're getting a meal that tastes similar to what other meals that they've had. If they went one time and the meal was vastly different, there would be a problem. And so when they're ordering the McDonald's fries, they know the McDonald's fries taste and consistency and how they want them to taste. And they're going to go for that every single time. And the moment you switch it up on them and offer something that's lower quality, they're going to have complaints. That's why when people get cold fries, we saw it yesterday when a lady in the restaurant got cold fries. She went to the counter and asked for hot ones because those didn't match what she was expecting from McDonald's fries to be. So the consistency piece is important. Car manufacturers struggle with this a lot because they're mass producing these cars and it's hard to have a consistent experience in it. And so manufacturer defaults come out and one car may run perfectly for 100,000 miles. And then the car that came out right after it may start having issues at 12,000 miles. You never know. But the consistency is what people like. And if you have the consistent experience, then that builds their repeat customers. Okay. So we've talked about that piece of it, and I'm going to leave you with that because this is a lot. And there's a lot that goes into copywriting, but understanding those basic drivers is going to give you a framework for how to think about interacting with your clients.